So hello everyone, this is me Shovik over here. So today I will be showing you my AI planner and how it works. So this is the home page of the AI planner. And now if you come across this for the first time, this is what you will be seeing. Now over here there are a few themes that you can change if you want. Alright. Initially as default it will either be in the bright mode or in the auto mode. Auto mode is basically nothing but it will take and adapt to the theme of the browser or the computer. Okay. Now over here, first we will have to log in and sign up. Now we will be using the auth to authentication. Now since my Google account is already logged in the browser, so it will automatically log me in. Now I have used this instead of password and ID because we will be using a lot of Google services. So it is easier to just log in using the Google account. Then all of the linked services are easily available. Otherwise I have to go through this again. So there will be a redundancy and two times the user would have to log in. Alright, so over here as you can see there is an option to upload an image over here by dragging the planner, and now there are three buttons: morning, night and journal. Alright, now over here if we this is the progressive wave app, so if we open it from phone or any kind of other device like tablet, it will automatically adjust, and there will also be an option to basically upload it using the camera directly. Now let me show you the planner first. So this is typically my morning planner. I have taken the date at 20th February. Today is not 20th February. This is for demo purposes only. This is the focus of the day, and these are all of the basically the tasks that I want to complete today, or the tasks that I have jotted down after waking up. All right, and these are the to-do list I want to do. All right. Now over here you will see the expenses part, the brain dump part, health and wellness part. These are empty. These are empty because after getting up, I don't know how much I will be spending today. Whatever ideas that might come will be in brain dump. How much exercise etc. I will be doing, I don't know. This is initially what I have known or I have done in the morning is only over here. All right. Now basically what is there, that there is an option to block. All right, what does this mean? This means that I want these only these times and these events to be blocked in my Google Calendar. So this shows that I have blocked in this time and no other meeting or no other task can be assigned to me at that time. All right. Also there is an option for reminder. It means that I want not only that this task is blocked, but I also want a reminder for this task in my phone and other places where Google Calendar is synced. All right. So now what happens is that when I upload this image over here and click morning sync, so the AI will do what is basically take all the details from the planner and sync it to my Google Calendar. Now let me show you my Google Calendar. As you can see in 20th February it is empty completely. Alright, now I will be uploading this image over here. Now it has been uploaded. Now if I press the morning sync, initially the image is compressed, then it is sent to the Google Cloud Functions. Over here also that is not stored, it is stored temporarily in a RAM kind of thing for temporary storage. Then it is sent to the AI and all of the other services, and then it is destroyed. No storage in Firebase or any kind of backend is done. So this makes it zero storage cost for me, and also makes it quite private for the user. Now let us go to the Google Calendar and check. Now as we can see, three of the events have been made as to-do list, and all of the other events have been synced over here easily and nicely. Now there was the option to remind for reminders also. Let me see. Over here if we can see at 9 a.m. there should be a reminder. At 9 a.m. yes, there is a reminder. At 10 there should not be a reminder. There is no reminder as you can see. Now at 2 p.m. there should be a reminder for Node.js. Let me see. Yes, there is a reminder. At 8 p.m. there should or should not be. Oh, come on. At 8 p.m. there should not be a reminder, and there is no reminder. At 9 p.m. at meeting there should be a reminder. Let me see. Yes, as you can see this has worked perfectly for the morning sync. Alright. Now suppose after morning, at evening or at night we have come back and we have filled the planner back again. Alright. All of the information like how much I have spent today, how much ideas that I have come, how the health and wellness data etc. is over here. Now I want this to be synced to the Google Calendar also. Now how will it be done? I will again go through the same process, but over here in evening I think that I have thought that all of these data like brain dump data, travel data etc., this should be logged in Google Sheet and Notion. Alright, so it will also be done. Now let me show you the Google spreadsheet first. So this is the spreadsheet for AI plan data. For expenses there is the data that I have tested and this has been logged. I am deleting it. Alright, now as you can see this is empty, and this is the health data. Alright, over here the health data is basically only the headings are over here, so these will be tracked. And in Notion, if I open the Notion, as you can see this is the place for brain dump journal. Alright, now this is empty currently because no brain dump journal has been already added over here. Now let us go and do the syncing. Now the evening sync has to be uploaded first. and now the night sync will done. Now all of the other kind of things are doing. Now if you want the GitHub link, the link to the architecture, etc., I will be providing them in the comment section. Any improvement or suggestions you have, please provide it in the comment section. Also I will read and I will respond it. Now as we can see, these tasks have been marked and 4 have been added to the expense sheet. Logged health and wellness data has been logged, and visual brain dump has been stored to Notion. Let's go and see. As we can see, 2 of the tasks that we have marked as completed in our evening data, evening, like buy pens and check data. The debit card task I could not do, as I am supposing. So those 2 have been striked off over here, as you can see. Now let us go to the AI planner sheet. Now as we can see, the basically the data have been logged over here. And now also for the health also, as we can see, the data has been logged over here. All right. Now there can be some issues with accuracy, as you can see in few of the spelling and here also. So that is due to basically the image recognition technology of the AI model is not that great, or at times it also make mistake. Also we can improve it by basically writing it in a more clearer handwriting or using a deeper tone of pen. Alright. Now let me show you the Notion data. So as you can see, there is a brain dump page that has been created. If we open inside page, let us see. Over here, the data that it has been able to read from this section has been transcribed also. So we can search it over here. And also all of the other information like the entire image, it has been stored over here. Alright. Now, for the journal part, suppose this is the journal. Now in this journal, I have written something, etc. And also I have striked it intentionally to see how the AI performs. Alright. Now if I give the journal, it will basically save it in the Notion using the basically the same technique that it has used earlier, but no other cloud function need to be invoked over here. That it will store directly in the Notion. Now another thing is that I've asked it not to transcribe, but if I want, I can also ask it to transcribe also in Notion so that it is more searchable. I might change it later. Now I've synced it. It says that the success journal has been synced to Notion at 20th January. As you can see, it has made a mistake. The reason for the mistake being basically over here in journal, as we can see, it has basically not it has been able to read the striked off section because it was not completely striked off and only picked that up. All right. Now as we can see in journal, it is showing us that basically it has done the transcription for the 20th February. It has basically saved it as an image. For brain dump, it is showing 20th February. So basically what we learned from here is that for AI to work properly, we need to ensure that we are as clean as possible in the basically in the paper or in the place where we have control over manually. So this is the project. For any kind of other information or other kind of clarification or other kind of suggestion, you might go in the comment and tell me. And also you might also go and check the code and other things in the GitHub. I will be linking them in the description box. Thank you.